Hello, this is Taylor, and today I'll be showing you how to make an international booking using your ekko membership. Once you've logged onto your account, navigate to the Book Now button on the top right of the page. Select International Resorts. Add in the location of where you'd like to go, as well as your check-in and check-out dates and the total number of people going on holiday, and click Search. Once the page loads, you'll see a list of properties available to you. Scroll through them and pick the one that best suits your holiday needs by clicking Select Room. From here, you'll get an overview of the hotel you have selected in terms of information, photos, amenities, location, and the rooms. Scroll down and select the option best suited for you. On the next page, you could add in the information of your primary traveler, as well as your payment and billing information. Agree to the terms and conditions and click Book this hotel.